Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can recover a deleted track in Suno AI. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and what we can do is we can either go to create or to library. I'm going to go ahead and select create. Actually, I think we want to go to library. That's right. We want to go to library, and then once you go to library, up at the top right hand corner, you're going to see this trash icon. We click on that, then that's going to bring us to our trash. You can see here that our trash is empty. Let's go ahead and test it out here. So let's pick a song that we want to just throw in the trash. So here we go. We'll go ahead and select this one here. And then you can see here the option to move to trash. So let's go ahead and do that. And we can see here the option to undo. So that's one thing we can do as well. We can click that to undo moving the trash, move it to the trash. Let's go back to library. We're going to click on the trash icon, and there you go. So here we could see our deleted track. Now, bear in mind that this will only be here for 30 days. So you have 30 days to be able to undelete your songs if you put them into the trash. But if you want to do that, just click on those three buttons, and then you could see here, restore to library. So we can go ahead and click on that. And here it has been restored to our library. So we'll go back, and there we go. It is now back in our library again. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. And if you're looking for a new online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you look in our link tree there, you will see a referral link for Simply Financial. If you start an account, you will get $50 to start. And if you refer your friends and family after you've gotten started, you can get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It's a win-win situation. Simply Financial is a fantastic bank and comes highly recommended.